Our school is the Columbia University Teachers College Reading and Writing Project School.
In this video, you will learn how our teachers incorporate student voice, choice, and ownership into a reading workshop.
Every lesson follows the same structure. Our teachers first activate our prior knowledge.
Big green space behind my house. My goal was to swing as high as the fence, and so I was swinging every day. Talk to the person next to you about your playground goal.
There is always active engagement.
Or what you heard your friends say.
The bar with the swing, and I was to close my eyes and swing very high.
You set goals for what you like to do on the playground. You can also set goals as a reader.
Knowing our intention puts us in control of our learning.
I've been reading.
Our teachers make their thinking visible. They model their own thinking processes.
What goal could I? So I'm thinking to myself, I already took a sneak peek. I already thought about the keywords. What is something I have not done yet? I need to stop and study each page. Which goal are you going to choose to work on today? Turn and talk. Moving your name magnet to the goal you're going to work on during your independent
The
reading
link
day.
encourages us to apply and transfer our learning.
Ready? Off you go.
We are taught how to select our own books. During independent time, our teacher pulls students for individual or small group conferences. This ensures that we are all working on our own personal targets.
At the end, we did tug of war. What were you saying to your friends, to your color team? All the details. He looked at the picture. He looked at the caption. He looked at the words that the author said. And he studied that one page so he could learn more about polar bears. I want you to think now about if you need to keep the same goal for tomorrow, or will you set a new goal of what you're ready to work on next? Or, thumbs down, you're going to make a change for tomorrow. What are you thinking?